Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Arpan Das, and in today's video I'm going to do a quick review on GrooveVideo. So a GrooveVideo is an application under GrooveFunnels suite. Okay, we can think GrooveVideo as an alternative of say Vimeo, Vistia. Like in case of Vimeo and Vistia, we need to pay a monthly subscription bill in order to host our videos. But if you are a premium member of GrooveFunnels, you will be able to host unlimited videos in GrooveVideo. And if you are a free user using GrooveFunnels, you will be able to host 15 videos in your GrooveVideo suite. Okay, now let's begin. So let me show you the dashboard of GrooveFunnels. Here we go. Now in order to access GrooveVideo, we have to click over here. This is Manage Videos. On clicking on this Manage Video icon, you will be redirected to the GrooveVideo section where what you need to do, you need to click on the library option. Now here you're going to see all the videos which I have uploaded in my GrooveVideo. Okay, these are all the videos which I have uploaded for myself. Now I'm going to show you each and everything you need to know about GrooveVideo. So the first thing is, like, if you want to add a new video, you need to click on this button which says add new video, and after clicking on this you will be redirected to a page where you need to upload your video. Here you have three options. First, you can upload directly from your computer storage, then from a YouTube, as well as from any other URL. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to upload it from my computer. So let's click on my computer and let's click on select file. And now I need to search for a video right now. Let's take this one and click on open. Now it will take some time to upload the video. Once it is uploaded, click on the next button. And now the encoding process is going to happen. You need to be patient. It will take around 1 minute to 2 minutes of time. And guys, once the encoding is complete, you will receive this kind of information which says processing is complete. You need to click on OK. Now let me drag myself to the right end. Yeah, here you will find multiple text boxes you need to fill. First is the title name which you want to keep for your video. So let me write test video. And the description, you can write your own description. For now I'm just pasting the title to be the description. Now here you have an option to upload a thumbnail for your video. So let's click on choose image, and I want to say upload this image as my thumbnail. Okay, so I'll click on select. Here you have another option to upload your watermark image. So there's no problem, let this be my watermark image. Then here is a end action. So here you will find a drop down button. When you click on this, you'll find two options. One is just end the video, and then another is loop the video from the beginning. So when your video comes to an end, so what you want to do with that? Do you want to continue the video from the beginning again? I mean, to create a loop once again, then you need to click on this icon, this button. And if you want your video to be end only, then you need to click on just end the video. Okay. So I want my video to be end. Just end the video. Next. Then click on next. Now here is the option to make your video responsive as well as fixed. So guys, if you want your video to be displayed on the mobile devices, tablet devices, as well as on your PC or laptop, it's better to have responsive as the option. Okay. Now next comes is the show controls. Okay, let me play the video once. Now once you see, you have the mute option.
Hey guys, a very warm welcome to
pause option.
I'm your host Arpan Das.
So guys, these are the controls. If I just toggle it off, you will find that these options are gone. Okay, so make sure to toggle it on. It's better option to show the control to your users. Okay, the next thing is mute and start. So guys, if you want your video to be muted when the web page loads, then you need to toggle this on. Okay, so I want it to start immediately, so I will toggle it off. Then you have the option of autoplay on load. So guys, when your web page or your sales page opens, you want your video to be played automatically. Okay, so for that case, you want to toggle this on. See, when I toggle it on, the
Hey
video
guys, a
starts
very
to
warm
play
welcome to
automatically.
GrooveFunnels. I'm your host Arpan
And
Das,
now
and I'm
here's
really
another
excited
option
to
which
have you
says
here.
show overlay
And I
title.
hope this course is
You can click this on as well as off you if you want to display your title. So let me toggle it on and let's write a title. Say,
hey guys, a very warm welcome to
this
GrooveFunnels. I'm your host
is,
Arpan Das, and I'm really excited to have you here. And I hope this course is going to be very helpful.
Okay. See, here is the title.
Hey guys, a very
At the
warm
top
welcome to
of your
GrooveFunnels.
video.
I'm your host Arpan Das,
Now, once
and
you
I'm really
finish with
excited
this,
to have you
you need
here.
to click on next.
And I hope this course is going to be very helpful
Now,
to you
here you will
and your
find,
business.
okay, let me pause this. Now, here you will find many options such as opt-in form, banner, text overlay with CTA. So I'm going to show all of these. So let's begin with the opt-in form. Now, if you want, suppose you gave a thumbnail to your video like, I'm going to disclose my 5 strategies which I use to get my clients. Okay. Now you have just uploaded a thumbnail saying that. I mean to say, like, you have created a thumbnail using Canva and uploaded it as your front end. I mean to say, like a thumbnail for your video. Now you want to show that to people who gives you their email ID in return. So for that you need to create an opt-in form. Okay. So here is an opt-in form which you can add directly in your video. You do not have to create a separate opt-in form. So for that I will click on add, and you can create a time, that means like a time at which the opt-in form should appear on your video. So this is for hours, this is for minutes, and this is for seconds. So I want the opt-in form to pop up at 2 seconds. Okay. And the headline text I want, provide your details. And if you want, you can toggle the skip button, and I want my people to provide their email ID in order to see the rest of my video. So I will not toggle this skip button on. Okay. And then click on done. Now let me just play the video and show you. See, at the 2-second mark, an opt-in form arrives, like provide your details. So when someone enters their names and email and clicks on submit, then only he will be able to watch my full video. So just I'm going to show you. Submit.
Hey guys,
Then
a very
he will
warm
be
welcome
able
to
to watch the
GrooveFunnels.
rest
I'm your
part
host
of my
Arpan
video.
Das,
Okay.
and I'm really
I hope this
excited
is
to
clear.
have you here. And
Now I'm going to show you the next thing, banner. Guys, you can add a banner image to your video as well. So let me click on add, and suppose I want my banner to appear at say 5th second, and you can choose any image as your banner. So suppose let me choose this. Click on select, and if you want to provide an URL, that means a banner will appear on your video at the 5th second, and when someone clicks on the banner, the person or your audience is going to be redirected to a particular URL. For that, you need to provide a URL over here. So let me write my website URL. You can also have the skip button. So for this, I'm showing you with the skip button. Okay, then click on done. Now let's test. So as we know, on the second, I mean to say, like at the 2-second mark, a form will appear. So for this, I have to provide some details. And click on submit.
hey guys, a very warm
And now at the
welcome to
5th second,
GrooveFunnels.
a banner should appear. Here we go. Now if someone clicks on this banner, he will be redirected to my website. And if someone clicks on skip, he will be able to watch the remaining part of my video.
And I hope.
So now let me show you the third thing which we have is the text overlay. So let me click on this add button, and here you have 2 options. Like when you want your text to be displayed, I mean the starting point as well as you need to put your ending point. Okay, so at the starting point, let me provide it at 7th second, and I want the text to be displayed till 10th second. Okay, and here you can insert your text. Okay, like say subscribe to my channel. Now if you want to provide hyperlink, it's no required in this case, so I'll click on done. Now let me show you. It should run at the 7th second. Okay guys, so let me provide it something.
Hey guys, a very warm welcome to GrooveFunnels.
Now at the 5th second, this banner appeared. Click on skip,
and I'm really excited to have you here.
Here we go.
And I hope this course is going to be very helpful
this
to you
text
and your business. And
it
today
was
is
for
an
7 to
introduction
10
class,
seconds.
and in this introductory class, we will discuss like what we are.
And now the last option which I'm going to show you is text overlay with call to action. Okay, so let's click on this add. Similarly, you have to provide a starting point as well as the ending point. So I want my starting point to be at say 11th second, and I want this for 20th second. Okay, now here you can write your text and a button. Since it is a text overlay with a call to action, here you can write the button text. So let me write say a webinar registration, and for button text let me write register now. Here I need to provide the URL for my webinar page. Since I'm not having my webinar page created right now, so let me put my website over here as well. Then click on done. Okay, now let's test it. So I think this is annoying me each and every time I have to enter my details.
Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Groovology. I'm your host,
Now this is a banner which should appear in the 5th second.
Das, and I'm really excited to have you here.
Then we are going to have
I
a
hope
text
this course
overlay
is going to be very helpful
till
to
10
you
seconds.
and your business.
And here is the webinar registration,
the
guys.
introduction class,
And here is the call to action. When someone clicks on register now,
like what we are
he
going
will
to
be
cover
redirected to a webinar page. For now, I'm just redirected them
So
to
here
my
is the course structure of Groovology,
okay?
where we have 8 modules.
So guys, I hope you understood the entire concept. I mean how the GrooveVideo works. And after completing everything, you need to click on save button. Okay. Now here you will find your test video which I have created just now in front of you is saved. Now you can use this video in your Groovepages also. I'm going to show you that now. So let me click on Groove icon over here, which signifies the home. Now you need to click on this beta icon and click on Groovepages. I'm just going to show you like how you are able to make that video appear over here. Okay, so just let me take anything right now. Let me take this one. Click on open editor. So guys, I want my video to be placed in this page. Okay, so for that I need to open another tab of GrooveFunnels. Click on login. And I will go to my manage video sections, and I need to copy the embedded code from my video. Okay, so for that I will go to library, and this is my video, guys. I will click on this embed option, and they will provide me a code. I have to copy this code and come back to my Groovepages, and suppose let's say I want to add my video over here. For that I will come here and click on elements, and here you will find the embed option. Okay, I have to look for it. Here it is, guys, code embed. You need to drag it and place where you want. Let me place it over here. Not paste, just drag and drop it over here. And here I need to I need to paste my embedded code. Okay, for that I will click over here, and here you will find this gear icon. You need to click on this gear icon and paste your code over here. Okay, once you pasted it, click on save. Here you will be able to find your video, guys. Okay, close it. I think everything is done. Let me click over here once again and just check. Let me drag myself to the left end. If you want, you can decrease and increase the size as you want. So I think this is a good size. Then click on save and click on publish. Now I'm going to show you the live example that how my video will look, okay, in the real time. So for that, here is my URL. Let me click on my URL. Here it is, guys. It's our video. When someone clicks on the play button, you can see that video only. Okay. Now, as we already know that we have a form, so opt-in form. Let me again insert everything over here. Click on when someone clicks on.
Hey guys, a very warm welcome
so at
to
the 5th second, a
Groovepages.
banner
I'm your
should
host
appear. Here we go. Let's click on skip.
Das, and I'm really excited to have you here. And I hope
here
this
is
course
the
is going to be
text.
very helpful to you and your
At
business.
the 11th second, we are going to have
today is the introduction class, and in this introductory class,
so guys, I hope you understood the entire concept of GrooveVideo and how you can use GrooveVideo in your Groovepages, okay, in your website, I mean. And let me go back to GrooveVideo once again and show you another option we have here is analytics. Once you click on this analytics, you will be able to see all the details about your video. Okay, since I have so many videos, let me drag myself again to the right end. Okay, you are able to see the impressions you have in each of your video, unique impression, then finishes. It means that if a person comes and watch your video till the end, and the next is total time watched. As my first video GM1V1, it shows 3. That means 3 minutes people have spent on this video. Okay, and in the next video GM1V2, my audience have spent 12 minutes on this video. Okay, this is the entire thing you will come to know about the analytics section. So guys, this is all you need to know about GrooveVideo. And guys, if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like to my video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn the bell notification on so that whenever I upload my next video, you will come to know about it. And if you are yet to have a GrooveFunnel account, I will drop my link in the description below. Go there and create your free GrooveFunnel account. So that's all guys. I hope you learned something new on this video. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.